you ready, Bepis? Oh, you got the light bar on top?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna come around the side here. I got my head back.
Oh, she stanced and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Another fella hauling a load. There's two dudes hauling loads. Well, no load yet.
Two dudes with trailers, about 500 feet apart.
Just don't tag that Kia.
Yeah. It's almost like I've done it before.
Mm-hmm. Very nice, Bepis.
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
that was pretty
impressive.
good. Yeah.
In one go,
One
too?
go, yeah. Oh, wait, this is a one-way.
What's up, brother? We are here. On my way up north right now, but I just wanted to add a huge shout out to Kevin at MI Premier Rentals again for renting us the trailer to actually pick up the Porsche. It was super helpful. He was right on the way and everything, and he provided us with everything we needed, ramps, winch, the whole nine, to take the Porsche all the way back from Chicago all the way back to Southeast Michigan. So got to give him a huge shout out. Hit him up for any trailer needs that you have, and want to say thank you again, Kevin. Well, we did it.
We got it.
We own two Porsches now.
Looks good behind us.
For a minute, dude, it's crazy. We started at 19.8 when we pulled out. As soon as we had the Porsche on the trailer and everything. 18.1 now. It seems like it was going down 0.1 every 15 or so seconds. That is crazy, dude. I've seen some cars like that before, man, but that one's not too bad of a case. He's fucking dog leg walking up there, bro. This YN spitting.
I'm sick and tired of the same names. I don't want to die.
Bye. Bye.
Like that guy was driving like this. He just had his hand on the console just like this. Yeah.
Man. Look at that. Look at that G8.
Wow.
Pontiac G8 6.0 liter. V8 engine. GM. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Really big motor.
We are at 13.8 miles per gallon.
Yeah, we definitely chugged down quite a bit. Oh, we're gonna hop right behind this Jetta here. There we are. There we are. They're trying to impersonate us, two men in a truck. Get the f*** out of here. Actually, you know what? If you guys want real work, you hire two men, a truck, and a Porsche.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
2 men, a truck, and a Porsche.
All right. So here's the 944. 1985 944. If you've got a Kenai, you could probably tell that it has been resprayed, but most of that can be tackled, fixed up. This is obviously supposed to be black plastic, similar to the trim over here. Same with on the door. Small stuff, but interior, I mean, come on, right? That's awesome. I mean, that's incredible. You guys, look at that. It's got the original mats in there. That's just beautiful. Look at that. Even got the passenger. Missing the driver's side mat, but you know what? 3 out of the 4, that's the most, or that's better than most rental cars. As you can tell, we do have the hood latch taken apart right here because, well, I was like, this guy is not really working. I'm trying to figure out why. Well, this cable end right here, as you can tell, this big cable end is supposed to fit inside of this receptacle. And then you can kind of tell where that receptacle thins down, and it only allows for that for the small wire to pop through from that cable. So what had happened is, you kind of see it's broken like that. So obviously that housing, that receptacle, was not doing a good job of holding the cable end. And so the cable wasn't, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's because the cable was seized up, the wire was seized up inside of the cable. So that's what had broken the housing. However, I did get this free. I got the wire free from the cable housing, I guess you could call it. But yeah, I mean, if you guys are familiar with how these things work, it's just a wire that runs through another metal cable. And when it's metal on metal like that, you know, you could obviously get some shit corroding, then it doesn't move, right? So I just pull it like that. Obviously, that's going to need to be installed right back over there. That was a big mess. If you guys have anything like this, a problem like this that you're trying to tackle, definitely put on a dust filter mask, some type of particulate filter, because you do not want to be breathing that shit in. I'm not a doctor, so I don't know. Maybe it's all right for you, but I'm sure breathing that 40-year-old dust that used to be foam is just not good. Actually, I wanted to kind of point this out to you. There is a little bit of a hood misalignment as of right now, but I'm going to show you exactly why. All right. Oh, well, that's okay because it was already broken. As you could tell, that is that was the hood strut. Does not look very strut-like, or at least not straight, right? Let's see. So it still works. It still works as a strut when you jam it up in the hood to prop the hood up. That's why you guys saw the hood was off like this, because we do have a good strut over here. That one is broken. This guy right here, we had some issues with. It was definitely a little bit of a battle, but let me just kind of take you guys over. Oh wow, this is actually amazing. I can get a really nice angle for everyone. So this screw right here obviously holds down on that wire that I was telling you guys about that runs through the cable. This screw holds down on that wire, pinches it, and then obviously that's the actuator right there for the hood release. And I did spray it down with WD-40 and liquid wrench, PB blaster, whatever you want to call it, all that stuff. I did actually use a couple different ones, but it did get freed up. When we first looked at the car, when we were first purchasing it, this was totally seized, totally locked up. So that's all. It's all moving now. It's good, which that makes me happy. Another thing that you guys might want to check out, if your striker is not lining up, if your hood pin striker is not lining up with this right here, you guys should try to loosen up these two 10mm bolts right here, maybe, you know, 2 or 3 full turns, and then you can actually move this bracket. Sorry, I'm trying to get a better view right there. Yeah, that's nice. You can move that bracket either this way or that way, this way, that way. It gives you a little bit of wiggle room in every which way on that bracket, so you can best have it collapse down into this receptacle and make sure that you're getting a nice latching action there. So that was all corrected. And then another small thing, I'm pretty sure no one's ever going to run into this issue, but this reservoir was lifted up about 1.5 inches. And I'm not even sure how exactly it was managed. I'm pretty sure the strap that goes around the reservoir that you see right here, my index finger's pointing to it, I think that strap was actually set right here. And then I mean, it was still underneath, you know, the strap on the reservoir was still in the same place, except it didn't go here to the bracket, it went here on the bracket. So obviously that made the whole housing sit up way higher. That caused our hood to have some issues closing, and then that's what caused this hood latch to bend, because obviously you're thinking everything's original, you're trying to close the hood, it's not closing. You don't really need much force to go ahead and do that. That's where we got with that. Of course, I was being very, I guess, just excited, and I tried to take this guy out, and well, now we got this sort of issue right here. So I'm going to actually run over to the store. I've tried to machine this as best as I can to make it look original, but obviously You guys can tell it's not supposed to come out like that.
Today's the big day. We're gonna be, it's hot as hell if anyone doesn't know. We're gonna be swapping out the timing belt, doing a timing kit. Now that it's recording, we're getting a weird line on the camera still, so I'm gonna probably have to switch to the iPhone for the camera. But we're doing timing belt, probably hoses throughout. See what we come up with here. Keep you guys posted as we go. Hopefully the time lapse doesn't look horrible with the flashing of the lights. Trying to find a good light that won't flash, but it's definitely a struggle. What is?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Holy frick! Is it still going?
I think it's out,
Finally.
but it's not like
Bepis.
giving me. Oh yes.
I'm just gonna start going here.
Yep, that's all good. I got it. Look how freaking long this mother trucker was.
Okay, alright. That's fair.
That's ready to tighten.
Oh, you're right.
Careful. Yep. Yeah. Very nice mode. First crank.
Got you, bro. I got you. That was almost bad.
My life flashed before my eyes.
Let it be a little off center. Man, I can't even imagine that called a Mrs. Cott, bro. That would have been horrible.
Sorry, Mom. I broke Adam's two front teeth. I think Jensen would be more pissed than Mom.
Alright, now this guy usually,
Oh, there's bolts.
Oh,
We got 4 bolts.
wait. What do you mean? Stop being in the way. Alright.
It's just extra iron in my diet, that's all. Sauce me that light.
This one?
Yeah. Oh boy. Light is dead.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Like a good neighbor, your mom is there.
The ink. Alright, I hope that wasn't too messy. I think we did an alright job.
Well, just a little update because we didn't make as much progress as we had planned on, and I'm going to probably go ahead and end the video here, but at least for part 1. Part 2 we'll probably start off with putting the timing pulley back on and everything, going from there, but we did ourselves a favor and we snapped the head off this bolt, but we were able to get it out. Very, very solid on that, and we got everything all out, got the water pump out. We're going to be replacing that, the gasket, and then we got the pulley. Everything's top dead center, ready to go for the timing belt.
Part 2, we're gonna hit the ground running, and like Adam said, we'll just start right off with that with timing belt, and then balance shaft belt, water pump, new gaskets, new seals. We actually, something that I forgot to mention, we're gonna be doing a front end reseal.
So I got tons of gaskets to reseal the front end, but basically we got these guys right here, these brown rubber seals. As you can see, there's rubber seals right in there. These guys do go bad and they do hold oil pressure, so it's important to have those guys changed out. So we didn't do that just yet, but obviously we got quite a few of those. And then we also have these guys right here, which let's see. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see these right now, but these should go like that on the inside, and then that rubber bushing that I showed you goes right on top of it, and then this right here goes through that whole sleeve. So that should be how it goes. But anyways, this is gonna be the front end rebuild, or reseal rather, and that's gonna be coming along with the next video too. And that's probably where we're gonna get a bulk of the work done for this motor here. We got some.
Turn off that fan.
Then let's see, we got a reservoir here for the power steering. These actually have filters in them. Probably can't see that. Maybe you can.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah.
So that kind of just looks like what do they call it? Like the bladder for whatever's covering. It should be like a part rate in here that's all filtration. Anyways, these guys they get clogged up, and then you obviously need to buy a new one because it's a filter. You can't replace it. Just got to buy a new unit.
Well, we also spent a lot of time. Obviously, you can tell by the dirty ass rags. We spent a lot of time cleaning off all the oil. There was probably 3 layers of oil on the engine. So that was a lot of work too, but it's definitely a learning process for us. So if we mess anything up, feel free to correct us in the comments so we know what we did wrong, and happy to learn more as we go and go from here.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. Keep your eyes out for part 2, part 3, part 4. See what happens with it.
Bepis Builders?
Bepis Builders.
Bepis Builders.